To the Chief and Associate Justices of the Supreme Court of the United States, we write this letter of concern over the recent ruling in which same-sex marriages are now legal and recognized in all 50 states. We are Assembly of Holiness, and as our tenets of belief are based upon Holy Scriptures, we must go on record as stating that we are in total disagreement with this ruling. We do understand that the ruling has been published and is available for public viewing. However, we would like to invite each of the justices to participate in a televised discussion with us so that you may each speak plainly on your views and thoughts which have led to this court ruling. As a country in which the official motto is, quote, "In God we trust," we cannot understand how this ruling, which now impacts our entire country, can be in agreement with the very one who first defined marriage as concerning between a man and a woman. So you see, either God is right in his manner or the court is, but this contradictory to herald "In God we trust" when we defining of our acts of marriage by the highest court in the land offers a direct challenge to the original author of it. We are aware that there were 4 dissenters in the ruling: Chief Justice Roberts, Chief Justice Scalia, Chief Justice Thomas, and Chief Justice Alito, beg your pardon. And we recognize that their reasons for dissent may not be exactly the same as our reasons for disagreement. So we would also like to invite the justices who gave dissenting opinions to the aforementioned discussion to share their thoughts on the matter publicly. In closing, we would like to make mention of the chant which is stated at the opening of your sessions. It includes the words, quote, "God save the United States and this honorable court." Are these words merely stated for rhetorical purposes and dramatic pause, or do we all as a nation truly desire God to save us from the decisions and opinions which oppose the very one to whom we reference? God save us indeed. We look forward to hearing from you in hopes that we might have this open dialogue. You may contact us by the email address and telephone number given in the letterhead. Please also feel free to visit our website at www.truthofgod.com to learn more about our organization. We thank you in advance for your time and attention. Yours sincerely, Pastor Gino Jennings, General Overseer.